Hi there! Today we're going to make pumpkin soup, and this is a New Zealand version, and I thought I'd like to share this with you. This is one of the most favorite dish my family loved to eat or to have as an entree during winter time, because winter is coming. It's actually autumn at the moment here in New Zealand, so yeah, so hopefully you will like it and share it with your family and friends. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients: one medium size of onion. One here is a potato. It's about just one small to medium size and cut into quarter size. Now this is combra. It's it's called combra, but this is actually sweet potato. So just one small medium size to give it a bit of a sweetness to the pumpkin soup. About 3 cups. So I chop it into into pieces. Cream, so I've got the small size. We'll only use about half of this, or even like a 1/3. You'll see it as I gradually use it later. Bacon, and this bacon I will use about 3 slices in here, and I'll fry this one and use it as a garnish. It used to be pumpkin seed as well, so we require this for garnishing once we serve it later. So ensure to preheat the pan and add olive oil like so, and add the onions and stir fry until it's softly cooked. Add the potatoes and slightly mix like so, and also the sweet potatoes, which is called kumara in New Zealand, and chopped pumpkins. I've got about 2 to 3 cups, and just mix them together like so. Add a 1/3 cup of fresh cream. This will enable to absorb the flavor of the cream, and make sure you add 1 cup of water at the same time and mix it together like so, and add 1 cube chicken stock. This gives a bit of a flavor. Add additional 1 cup water and a grind pepper, about a pinch of it. Then boil for about 30 minutes or until it's softly cooked. And from about halfway through, 15 minutes later, make sure to check it and just make sure to stir it, and keep boiling until all the vegetables are soft for another 15 minutes. So 30 minutes later, also I've added another half cup of water, and just about ready to serve. And let it cool down before using food processor to smoothen it. While waiting to cool down, let's fry the bacon. Now, as you can see, I fried the bacon without oil, as it produces a lot of oil already, and I've used extra or cooked extra bacon, as it tastes better with a lot of bacon in it. And make sure this is chopped finely as a garnish or toppings for later on when served. Now let's go back to our pumpkin soup it should have cooled down already. And if you noticed, I have already used the food processor to turn mixture into puree, like so. Now add mixture into a preheated pan, then add about 50 milliliter fresh cream and a little bit of water, and mix it like so. If you notice, the consistency is very smooth. This is one of the secret of a beautiful pumpkin soup. So just keep stirring it like so and simmer it, and it's just about ready to be served. Add pepper and mix it like so, and now it's ready to be served. My family loves this as their entree before their dinner. So here we go. This is the result, and I hope you like it.